Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Most of the residents of Sanlin Town in Kaohsiung County are Hakka. This abundant Hakka presence has helped preserve many cultural relics, such as rain capes made of straw, water ladles, and many other agricultural items from days gone by. As a center for Hakka culture, Sanlin Town tries its best to keep Hakka traditions alive.
高雄县山林乡的居民除了平埔族及闽南人外，以客家人居多。丰富的客家文化保留了许多文物，像是蓑衣、水瓢、蒸笼、板印等等古早农家的用品。至今有许多传统习俗仍遵循客家古法，象征着山林乡的客家文化永久流传。
Hi everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
大家好, and I'm Tim Berge. Hey Leo, recently we've gone to many fun places in southern part of Taiwan. Where are we going to go today? 我们今天要去哪呢？
今天以後還嚟帶大家到南埔哦，就是台灣嘅南埔，就係高雄縣嘅三拿鄉。
好像我最後聽到我們要去高雄的一個地方，是不是？
對。
So where are we going to in 高雄 today?
高雄縣嘅三拿鄉。
三拿鄉。
三拿鄉。
三拿鄉. Oh, I don't think I'm getting this one very right, but what place is this?
是山林鄉。
山林鄉, okay, in Kaohsiung County. And when we're down in Sanlin Township in Kaohsiung County, what is there to attract us?
三拿鄉有一隻導遊名嘅，就係當年嘅秋天嘅時節，會舉辦一隻葫蘆文化節。
葫蘆文化節。
就是葫蘆文化節
A Gourd Culture Festival. 所以這個葫蘆文化節有包含什麼東西呢？
就是用葫蘆去做一些創作的藝術品，或是雕刻的藝術品。
They take the gourd and they do carvings on it, and they do other very interesting creations. 我這樣子聽起來是蠻有趣的，那是每一年都有的一個文化節，是不是？
當年就會舉辦。
Okay, so let's review today. We're down in Kaohsiung County at the Sanlin Township. 山林鄉怎麼說？
三拿鄉。
三拿鄉. And while we're down there, we went to the Gourd Culture Festival, the 葫蘆文化節。
葫蘆文化節。
Okay, the 葫蘆文化節。
葫蘆文化節。
葫蘆文化節。所以說，就是希望大家有時間的話，可以去高雄的山林鄉去看看這個葫蘆文化節. So whenever you have some free time, you're down in the southern part of Taiwan, Kaohsiung County, make sure you go to the Sanlin Township and check out the Gourd Culture Festival. It sounds really neat. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Tim Berge.
我是 Leo， 什麼大家按時間走了了。
See you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.